Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Triumph Street Triple R. 675 cc's of 3-cylinder performance, smooth yet torquey, 106 horsepower. Are you kidding me? Out of a 675, 64 foot-pounds of torque. This bike is unbelievable, and the R model comes with lighter wheels, fully adjustable suspension, more aggressive front end geometry. This bike is in beautiful condition. Only 2,244 miles. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. This amazing Triumph Street Triple R for just $64.90. That's over $500 below Kelly Blue Book. Don't wait. This is not going to last. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.